Hi folks, this is Andre from Timesact, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can transition from a coming soon option to an in-stock option in Timesact, okay? So let's start with the product that's been added, but of course has no inventory because it hasn't come in yet, right? So what we need to do now is we need to first prepare our templates. Now, my general default templates for coming soon and in stock are going to do for this example. Let me just run you through them quickly. So my coming soon is just going to have this button like so. The message is going to say that it's going to be ready in about 3 months, but of course you can change this to whatever you'd like. And I'm also going to have this white coming soon badge. Okay, so that's it for my coming soon. Now, my in-stock one is going to have a message with the quantity that is left. So it's going to quote whatever quantity I have in Shopify for this item to try to, get people to order it more. I'm also going to put this in my cart for 1-2 day delivery, and the badge that's going to say now in stock. I'm also going to give it a discount maybe, and I'm also going to add a countdown timer because I have a discount there, and so I'm going to give them another boost to actually make the purchase. Okay, so these would be the templates, but of course you can configure these any way you'd like. Now let's actually add the product. Let's start in the Coming Soon tab here, and let's add the product I was using. So I'm going to use this classic varsity top because I have no inventory, and so the coming soon would just become available immediately. Okay. I don't need the pre-order for this one. What I am going to use is the coming soon. Okay. And for the template, the default one will do just fine. And for my coming soon, all right, I'm just going to enable this, and everything else is also ready here. All right. And the template I am using is again the global one, the in stock. And like I said, maybe I'll give them a 10% discount to try to encourage them. So once it's done. Okay, so I think we're ready here. I'm just going to save this, and now we're in the Coming Soon tab, and the product is active, right? Because it has no stock in Shopify. So here, if we're to take a look at it, it'll say Coming Soon right here, and this button's not clickable. And now, if let's say our stock came in, right, we can just add this inventory in Shopify. Let's make 10 available for this one. Let's hit save. Now let's take a look in Timesact. Notice that the coming soon is now pending because we have inventory in Shopify, so that makes sense. And if I am to look at the in stock, it has now become active. Okay, so if we were to go back here and refresh this now, I have my add to cart, which is great. Let me just refresh this again so that all the changes kick in. Great. So now in stock, the countdown timer, I have the discount applied, the message here. And if I add this to my cart, I'm also going to have a message here. And of course, there are other options. We're going to make some extra tutorials because you can pair, for example, the coming soon with the back in stock to transition into the in stock, for example. Or, if you just want to get the emails, you could have like a back in stock that transitions back into an in stock, and vice versa, right? So, hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you in the next video.